Oh, sorry. We need to talk about stress today. Raise your hand if you're a stress eater. I think most everybody is who has a weight problem. I know it's an overgeneralization. It's something I'm working on for sure. I never thought that I was, but lately I've noticed that I am. Some main stresses have recently come into my life, and I've definitely been stressed out and, like, in my mind having these weird cravings, like Twizzlers. Okay, Twizzlers, alright, that's my monthly craving thing, which is like a one day out of the month, and I want Twizzlers. As I said before, I'm not really a chocolate person, but Twizzlers really get me going for whatever reason. But I find that when I'm stressed out at work or in life, I want to pop a handful of popcorn in my mouth or munch on something. And it's interesting because in the past, well, today's Sunday, April Fool's Day, will be my last day of week 8 on Medifast. I've had not that many actual moments where I really wanted to eat something. In my mind, I thought that I did, but I would kind of get through it, and instead of eating something like I probably would have in the past, I find myself taking 10 minutes, stepping aside, and putting on makeup. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it's like this soothing, calming, I can breathe, I can focus my attention to something completely different. I'll step away from my desk. Now, granted, I work from home, so, no big deal here. Work from home, step away from my desk for like 5 minutes and just go apply some eyeliner or something. I guess it's because that I do work from home and I don't see the general public that I can, kind of go crazy with my makeup. I mean, today, when I go out, like with my girls or go out with my husband or whatever, I take some good time with my makeup. I make myself look cute. You've seen me dolled up. I clean up pretty well. But on a typical day when I'm stressed out and my hair's a mess and I don't really, maybe I have a new makeup product that I bought that I haven't tried yet, there's something really soothing about going into my bathroom or something and just trying out a new eyeliner like I did today and a new mascara. And yeah, it's a mess. It's a freaking train wreck. That's not my typical makeup application. And I know I look a little bit crazy, but, I could totally zone out for a few minutes, just kind of chill out, not think about anything else. It's kind of like a meditation. But my point is, some people exercise, some people go for a walk, some people smoke a cigarette, some people eat something. I'm not saying that, makeup is the way to go. I'm just finding that I wanted to make a video about this because this whole process, this new diet and lifestyle has really made me really acutely aware of things about myself that, maybe I've been ignoring or denying or whatever. And I've really tried to be very present in this whole process. I really wanted to kind of embrace the process. I know there'll be ups and downs. I want to be present in the moment when I'm eating the Medifast foods. I want to be present in the moment of feeling my body change, and part of all of this is life thrown in the mix, and real life where, friends have troubles, and your own life has trouble, and family has trouble, and, just the stress of life. And I don't have kids, so, God, I can't even imagine all the stress that comes with kids on top of, everything else with job and work and stress and life and, stuff that comes up. So, just a coping mechanism that I've become aware of, and yeah, right now, it's Friday, and I'm going to have to take all this off and do myself up right before I go out tonight with my husband, but I just caught myself kind of stepping away for a minute, and I had to film this video on my lunch hour because I thought this was a good opportunity to address the fact that my new stress coping mechanism is makeup. Who would have thought? Anyway, what's your stress coping mechanism? And were you a stress eater at one time? Let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.